comes number 13, Mr. All coming from the three-point line right now. Oh shit, that nigga's on. He's talking out his neck. He gon' meet that